Greetings. This is Ralph E. Smith, reporter and publisher for GuardianChronicle.com with your Sunday breaking news. In Alabama, a black pastor was arrested for watering his neighbor's flowers. Yes, you heard me right. You can't make this stuff up. A black pastor was watering his neighbor's flowers, and the Childersburg, Alabama police officers approached him and asked him, "Oh, okay, how are you? Who are you? Can we see some identification?" And the pastor, knowing his rights, immediately challenged that. You want to know you want to see my ID for what? I mean, I'm just watering these flowers. And the police officers continued to challenge the pastor. They said, well, we got a report from somebody. we sort of like can't tell you who, because they didn't when the pastor asked him, who told you, who called you? The police put handcuffs on this black pastor in Alabama. This is breaking Sunday news, and it's a call to action for churches in Alabama and Georgia to have a Sunday day of church outside this police station and bring in the word of God and let them know that no weapon formed against a child of God shall prosper, and no weapon of injustice shall prosper against our pastor or against God's people. We are standing up and having church outside this precinct. This is a call to action. I want you to really take time, please, to look at this video. I would like you, the listener, the viewer of churches in Georgia and Alabama, I would like you, the pastors in Georgia and Alabama, to please send in your views on this news story. Send it to me, Ralph E. Smith, reporter and publisher for Guardian Chronicle. Just go on GuardianChronicle.com and send in your news opinion about this story. It is a sad state of America when officers arrest a pastor who is just watering his neighbor's plants. They put handcuffs on a black pastor. No. This disrespect of black people, of our black leaders, especially in churches, has to stop. And this is your opportunity to let your opinion, your voice be heard on GuardianChronicle.com and to start the process of assembling a community response to this injustice in Alabama. This is Ralph E. Smith, reporter and publisher for GuardianChronicle.com, wishing you and your family a blessed, safe, prosperous week. God bless you and your family. Peace and blessings.